How to enable age restriction on YouTube videos. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on your profile on YouTube, located on top right corner of your screen. Then click on YouTube Studio. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. On the left side, you'll find content. Click on content. In content, you'll find videos. Simply click on your video and you'll find these kind of settings pop up. Scroll all the way down till you find audience and make sure there's dot in yes, restrict my videos to viewers over 18. After that, you can simply click on save located on top right corner of your screen. And then you're good to go. That's how you enable age restriction on YouTube videos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.